Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm out, been working from morning, getting my bed ready. As you can see, I've got these weeds in there. Let my cameraman come in close. So these are the things what's taking long, and as you can see, when I was talking about having the right tools for the job, this shovel goes down quite quickly, but then you can see that there's good dirt underneath there, but it's just getting all these weeds out. You can see it goes down pretty deep, but I need you just have to keep doing that until you get most of it out. Might have to dig it over again at some other stage. So I'm just using a Pro-Light. This is a Pro-Light transplanter. You can use the fork, but I find this one a lot quicker. Down there, not seen a lot of worms in this either, so I guess I'm gonna have to do this again with my fork. This is one of the smaller beds, so I'm just doing this and be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so I've started that bed, I've done this one. So what I've done, dug it over, and I've put a layer of manure on there. This is old manure, but I put a thick layer on that. When I'm ready now, I'm going to dig that over again. This bed here I haven't got round to, but you can see it's got manure on there already, so it's just to dig it out and get the weeds out of it. So that's that one. This one is the same thing, just to dig that over and get my manure on top. So that's what I'm going to be doing the next time I come down. This one I've done, which is one of the longer beds. This is one of the smaller beds. Dug that over, got the manure in there. And up here, I'm still deciding on this bit here whether to dig this out or I might put a polytunnel there. I've got a greenhouse to go up, but deciding whether I might be better off putting a polytunnel there. I have to measure the width of it and see how wide that is, and then I might put a polytunnel there and put my shed here. So the shed's come already. It's just one of those walking plastic ones. I'm not putting a glass one or anything down here. It's too expensive. I was on my internet the other day and someone sent me a deal for one, so I thought I'll get one. And then down there, this is the one that I just started digging. It's hard work because all the weeds are down there. And then this one, I've done the same thing, dug it up and put the manure on it. And then this one, I've got, I haven't looked under this one yet, but I suppose this one should be alright as well. Yeah, that should dig over pretty quick. Can see that they've put manure on there already, but I'm going to still put another layer, get all this plastic off and everything. The next time I'm going to get some compost some good quality compost to bring around to fill up these things. These are what I'm going to put my sweet potatoes in. You're going to see my sweet potato videos coming out pretty soon. I'm going to be doing the different varieties of sweet potatoes, so I'm going to be showing you how to get your slips and that started in the next video. So please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We want everyone to come on board. If you've got any comments or questions what you want to ask me, just ask me. I'm not a full gardener, I'm just an ordinary person like everyone else who just started gardening and enjoy the process of seeing things done. So everybody can come on board, ask you questions. If there's something you're doing and you want advice, I hope there's going to be enough people on the channel to answer your questions for you and help each other out. So that's what it's like for now. You can see I've made a start from when I got the allotment. It's been a week and I've done most of this in a week. Got the 1, 2, 3, 4 beds dug up. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 more to do. But the next video are going to be different, so watch the channel and you'll see what's going on and how we progress from here. All this grass and everything, just going to be leaving the grass, and I've got a strimmer what I'm going to just trim it down and neaten it up so that everything looks nice and tidy. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember, like, share and subscribe and press the notification bell especially so you can see what I'm doing. I'm just going to show you this. That's all I've done. It's hard work, and you can see all these you have to get out, because if you don't get this out, I have to try and get out as much as I can. If you don't get this out, it just strangles everything else. So it's just where the grass is grown. The person who had this plot before, although they saved me a lot of work, I've still got work to do, because as you can see, it's all tangled up down there, and it has to come out. You can't leave it in there. I could have just left this square here, and I could have put my greenhouse there, but I'm still deciding where to put the greenhouse. Because it's all in beds, then I have to sort that out. But you can see it's got hard work to get all this out. So I'm just doing this so I can bring you content. The sweet potato slip, that video will be coming out very soon. If you want to know how to get your sweet potatoes done over here, then you can watch those videos. I usually have a surplus of slips, but I will see this year how it goes. And if you want to reach out to me in the UK for slips, just let me know. And I'll have to charge a small fee for them, just to help the channel along, because you know things ain't cheap this now as they used to. So anything I charge is just going back into the channel. So thanks for watching this one. I'll see you all on the next one. You take care and happy gardening, and I hope you all enjoy this 2023 season. Thanks for watching.